Hi guys, good morning. It is Saturday. It is a sunny morning, a little bit on the chilly side, but we're out for a nature walk. And because spring is quickly approaching, the birds are chirping everywhere, different kind of whistles and songs, and it sounds so beautiful. We're actually going down a little hill here, and then we're gonna be walking through this nature pathway. It's like a valley, and it's so beautiful. I don't know if you guys can hear the sounds of the birds. Here, listen to that. So beautiful. Listen to the birds. I love this sound. That's the sound of spring.
Yeah, finally.
Look here. Look this little stream. You have to breathe in and out and do your brisk walk. Feels so good.
Just in case somebody fall in there.
Oh, they did this nice. Look how they put the bricks on the side. Look, they really did this nice.
They protect the thing away.
Yeah, so the water don't wash up. Wow, this is nice.
I see a frog.
You see a frog? Your
I
eyes,
was just kidding.
they're bright to see a frog. And this is the other side. So nice, right?
There's so much rocks.
Look, look, a fish over there. See?
Oh, but I see the pond going. I didn't see the fish. Dad!
I hope it's fish.
There's a fish.
It's not a beaver or something. So look at this big bird here on this dry tree stump. As soon as he realizes I'm trying to get a picture of him, he's gonna fly away. Right here. So nice, the sound of different birds chirping. Look at that. Ah, shh, shh, shh. Ducky. So guys, we were lucky this morning to see a woodpecker, and this is the little white and black one.
It looks like a
He is picking on the wood, and that song caught my attention from all the way back there because I know the song of the woodpecker. We were so lucky this morning to see this, and I want to share with you guys. It's very hard to see because the wood is brown and it's kind of gray and black and white. Yeah, I'm getting it here.
You know, I see these birds all the time.
Listen to the sound, eh? All the birds are so unique. Look at this. Look at this little stream here. A shopping cart is all the way in the back here. I don't know what it's doing.
But it's mean.
I don't know who bring a shopping cart all the way here. But the sound of all the different birds is just beautiful. After winter and you hear
It's so pretty.
the sound of all the birds.
I see these birds all the time. Never knew they were a woodpecker, right?
It's a smaller woodpecker.
But they're so cute. What is the big one?
Listen to that. All kinds of birds and ducks and bugs, and I just love nature. So beautiful, peaceful. Just gliding through.
Why don't we go? We can go now.